In the video for today, I'm going to show you two methods to recover a permanently deleted Instagram account. So why would your Instagram account get deleted in the first place? The first reason could be you deleted it by mistake, and the second reason could be Instagram deleted your account for spam or whatever it is. Alright, so the video for today is basically for the first reason. But if you watch my video completely till the end, and if you are a person who is trying to recover a deleted or disabled Instagram account, I'm going to give you some tips which may just help you get back your account. So if you had deleted your account by mistake and you want to recover it, you need to do this within 30 days from when you perform the action. Okay, so just get hold of your phone and open the Instagram application and log into your existing account. Once you do that, you're going to get to the home screen out here. Just click on your profile icon and then click on the drop down for your user IDs out here. And then you get a pop-up menu like this. Click on add Instagram account. Then click on log into existing account. You get directed to this screen. Here, whatever accounts you may have used in the past on Instagram may just be shown out here. But if your user ID for that specific account, which is deleted and you want to recover it, is not shown here, just click on use another profile. Okay, then you put in the user name out here for that deleted account, and then you're going to get to this screen on which it's going to ask you whether you want to reactivate your account. Click on reactivate, and then you get a notification like this telling you your account is reactivated. You have access to your account again. Now, as an alternate method to recover your Instagram account if you deleted it accidentally, what you could also do is check your email account, because you may have received a notification from Instagram telling you that your account has been deleted. Okay, you may just see an email, something like this. And in the email, you may just see a link saying keep account. So if you click on this link directly, you're going to get directed to Instagram, and these guys are going to ask you whether you want to reactivate your account. You could directly click on reactivate your account and access your Instagram account again. Now, if Instagram has deleted your account, like if they have suspended your account or anything on those lines, you want to go ahead and recover your account, I'm very much sure you have received an email communication from these guys. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.